Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make for you my really quick and easy movie night snack, fully loaded nachos with a homemade cheese sauce. This recipe is so easy to put together, it literally comes together in a few minutes. I recently shared it with some family members and they loved it, so it's been highly requested by family and friends, so I thought I'd share this with you today. And we love having this when we're binging on our favourite series, and I'll show you how quick and easy it is to put together, so let's get started. Here's what we'll need for our cheese sauce. 1 small cube of unsalted butter, which is roughly 30 grams or a tablespoon's worth. 1 heaped tablespoon of plain flour, 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt, but you can use regular salt. We'll need a pinch of cayenne pepper, so roughly 1/8 teaspoon. We'll also need some milk, about 150 milliliters. And for the cheeses, we have red Leicester cheese, which is 150 grams worth, and 100 grams of mature cheddar. So these I find work really nicely in this sauce because you have the sharpness from the cheddar and you have the sweet, slight nuttiness from the red Leicester. So now we're going to get started on our sauce. We'll need a small to medium pan and we'll need a whisk. This helps make the mixture really smooth, and we're going to place this over medium heat, and we'll begin by making our white sauce, which will be the base for the cheese sauce. Got the heat on medium. Now I'm going to add the cube of butter. And once the butter melts, I'm going to add the flour. Add the flour. So mix the butter and flour really well for about 30 seconds. You'll smell a really nice nutty aroma. Now it's time to add our milk in. So we've just added 150 milliliters of whole milk into this. You can add a little bit more if you want a slightly thinner consistency. And once you add the milk, make sure to stir vigorously for about 20 seconds or so, which I've already done. And now you're going to turn the heat up a bit to medium-high and keep stirring, as we don't want any lumps in the sauce. And also add salt. I've also added a touch of cayenne pepper, so this is roughly 1/8 teaspoon. Now stir this until the mixture thickens, and this will take a couple of minutes on medium-high heat. Our white sauce is done. This will be the base for the cheese sauce, and it's thickened slightly. So I would say it's the consistency of double cream right now, and what we're going to do now is add the cheeses. So to prep the cheese, you can either grate the cheeses or cut them into small cubes like I have, and now we're going to add this to the pan with the sauce. Keep the flame low for this part and add the cheeses. So all the cheese has gone in, and now we're going to stir this very slowly until everything melts. Once the cheese goes in to the pan, stir everything very slowly until everything is well combined, and the cheeses melt, and you'll have the most luscious sauce ever. The cheese is melting very nicely. This process will take probably about 3 to 4 minutes. So make sure just to keep it on low and stir continuously. So our cheese sauce is done. We've been stirring it over very low heat for about 5 minutes after we added in our cheeses. And this is how it looks now. The consistency is perfect, very rich and creamy, silky smooth. We're now ready to assemble our loaded nachos. Got the sauce there, still hot. We've got a whole load of nachos, cheese ones and spicy ones, but you can use plain as well. We've got some salsa and some jalapenos. So now let's get to assembling. We'll add the salsa first. which is spicy salsa. I'll show you my recipe for it one day. In the meantime, I'm just using the cheats version today. So just top it as much as you want. There you go. So before pouring in the cheese, give it a whisk so everything's nice and smooth. Look at the cheese. Doesn't that look amazing? So it should be runny but thick, kind of like custard. So just drizzle the cheese all over the top. Look at that. It's going to be one yummy dish. And this should do it. Just place the jalapenos on top. We love spicy food here, so we're gonna add loads to this. So guys, there you have it. My loaded nachos, cinema style but better. None of the nasties, homemade cheese sauce, lots of jalapenos and some salsa, and of course lots of nachos. So I hope you guys enjoy this recipe, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe and share, and I'll see you next time.